Hello everyone, welcome back to physics class. Today's class we will continue chapter 4, force and friction. Last video we had completed force, what is force, examples, effect of force. Today we will continue type of forces. Forces are two types, contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces, some forces act on the bodies only when they are in contact with the body. These are called contact forces. For example, muscular force and frictional force. Muscular force, a force that is applied by the muscles of the body, is called muscular force. For example, a player kicking a ball and a person lifting a suitcase are example of muscular force. We can understand with help of figure also. Look this figure. This figure shows that muscular force. Here is force exerted by the muscles. Next, frictional force. Force that oppose motion when two surfaces are in contact. Called frictional force. It always acts in a direction opposite to the direction of the motion of the object. For example, writing on paper with pen is the example of frictional force. Let us see next non-contact forces. It is three types: gravitational force, magnetic force and electrostatic force. So let us see gravitational force. So what is non-contact forces? These are some forces that do not require a physical contact to act on an object. They can work from a distance as well. Such forces are called non-contact forces, or it is also known as action at a distance. So let us see first type of non-contact force, gravitational force. Look this figure. All objects in the universe attract each other with a force called the gravitational force. Gravitational force can be defined as a universal force of attraction that exists between any two objects that have mass. For example, your body has a certain mass, so it exerts a gravitational force on all other objects around you. Next is magnetic force. The force of attraction between the magnet and the metal is called magnetic force. We can say that magnet exerts the pressure towards the metal is called magnetic force. Look this figure. As the magnet is brought close to the pins, they get attracted towards the magnet from a distance. So we can say that this shows that a magnet attracts iron object from a distance. Next is electrostatic force. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is known as electrostatic force. Let us see with help of activity. See this figure. Put a few bits of paper on a wooden desk. Take the plastic ruler and rub it a few times against your dry hair. Immediately after rubbing, bring it close to the bits of paper. What happens? The bits of paper suddenly jump up and stick to the ruler. So the attraction between the bits of paper and the plastic ruler is due to the electrostatic force between the ruler and the bits of paper. You can do this activity yourself. So dear children, now is the time for homework. Look this question. Classify the action given here, a push or a pull. First, a moving cart, kicking a ball, opening a drawer, lifting a bag from floor, closing the door, drawing a bucket of water from a well. You have classified the action here, push or pull. Next video we will continue types of friction. Thank you.